Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share about unboxing OnePlus headphone. For online class or any other webinar, you're going to talk, you're going to listen, the best wireless headphone I'm going to unbox today in HowXT. So let me show you how it is performing, how to use OnePlus headphone for Google Meet or Zoom or any other class purpose. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, this is OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z Base Edition. So it's a beautiful headphone, so which is came with a wireless model, so you can use for that, and it's a more specific item is a Boss Boost and charge in 10 minutes, 17 hours battery life, and clear calls, and water and sweat resistance, and magnetic control. Everything was given here, so it's a beautiful option. I would like to recommend this. So in my channel I would like to unbox this OnePlus Bullet Wireless Boss Edition. So I just want to reveal the cover, so just I reveal the cover now. Yeah, and so the OnePlus cover is removed. So I just want to remove the box. The box packs is given in a beautiful way of the strong box is given here. So I just want to open the box. Yeah, so I just open this one. It's in the OnePlus wireless headphone is given here. It's a beautiful model of a drawing model they have given here. Yeah, so they have given here the OnePlus inside the box. They have given the beautiful art. Yeah, so here you can able to see sound you can feel. So sound you can feel, it's given here. I just want to reveal how's OnePlus. Yeah, so it is a beautiful option. So after it's open here, so it's showing like a red color, the OnePlus red color. Charge for 10 minutes, enjoy 10 hours. The icons are given here. So I just open this, and here they have given some box options of this. So I just want to open the box and check what's the details of given here. So let's get started with OnePlus Bullet Wireless Base Edition. So they have given here some notes and how to use. All the notes were given here, so I just keep it here. So here, and the charger, the OnePlus charger has given here for the headphone. It's a beautiful, they covered with a red and white color. So the OnePlus has given beautiful color combination, so I would like to recommend this option. And the one more thing they have given here, so with a welcome details, the red cable club, that is OnePlus has given scan to claim a welcome benefit. So if you have any benefit, you can scan and claim that. And here they have given here the OnePlus AirPod, the air safety card they have given here. So I just keep it here. Yeah, so now I would like to reveal a OnePlus headphone. So they have given here some the point were given here, and the headphone were strict into stickers. So I just remove the sticker. So whatever stickers has given here, so I just want to remove the sticker and open the headphone. Yeah, yes, so beautiful. So just open your headphone, the magnetic, as I said, the magnetic, this is the magnetic model. So if you want to attend online class, or if you're going to take online class, so you will be take this beautiful earphone. Yeah, Wow, it's a great. So this is the magnetic model. So you see, it's sticking over here. It's a beautiful option. Yeah. So this is a model of headphones. So they were given here with a speaker, and the beautiful speaker with a air connectivity. So if you want to see this clear black, the matte black is given there, and their color of headphone, the wire is in a red color, and this is a metallic black, and the charging indication will be there. And if you want to increase your sound volumes, plus and minus button were given here. And this side, the receiver, the OnePlus, they were given here the OnePlus details, and all kind of details were given here. So it's beautiful. This is the beautiful model, so you can comfortably work with that OnePlus model. So if you want to put charge, you can put charge and you can use. So now I would like to share how to use this OnePlus. I would like to get an experience with that. So they have given us, I have given a clear instruction about the thing, so I can able to place this one into my neck, and it is very comfortable for me. So I just want to place it in my ear so I can attend my classes. So yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. If you like this headset, please comment in your comment box. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.